Hello my sunny babes and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my wigs. As you can see, I've already twisted my hair, so let's just get right into it. So here's me getting my hair done. I got it washed and twisted at Ulta. I don't do this every time I do my hair, but this was the easiest way to prep and be ready for my vacation. So I just went and got it done. Here it is twisted up. And now let's get into this wig, girl. So this wig is in the style 𝓬𝓷𝓂 from the Sensational brand. It has clips throughout and also an invisible part. It is a lace front, so I'm going to have to lay it. For this wig, I went ahead and used 2 caps because I want to make sure that everything is laid down. I used my 𝓀𝓭 freeze spray all over, and then I'm going ahead and cutting this down so that the cap does not show through the invisible part. Now it probably sounds silly for me to use 2 caps, but I go ahead and use a netting cap so that the clips that are in the wig do not damage my edges at all. So basically my edges are hidden underneath here, and I just put the clips inside the netting cap instead of on my head. I'm going ahead and placing the wig down, just measuring it to see where I need to cut, and also looking at the style to see if I may want to fix up the part a little bit. As I said before, this wig is in the style 𝓬𝓷𝓂 from the Sensational brand. I will link it down below. It is just so pretty. I love the length on this. I'm going ahead and clipping it back so that I can glue everything down. I don't use actual glue. I use 𝓀𝓭 spray because, again, I don't want to damage my edges. I'm trying to grow them long and strong. So I let this sit for a little bit before I go in and start cutting off the lace. I'm using a razor that you can get at like Dollar Tree. It's like an eyebrow razor, but it does such a good job. It's such a precise cut. And I'm just going through and doing that. It takes me probably like 5 minutes to do this, and that's like with talking because I want to make sure that I am cutting very precisely. Like, you do not need to see my lace at all. For my people that wear wigs, you understand what I'm saying. So I've seen people use alcohol to remove the excess glue, and I just use a makeup wipe because it already has alcohol in it. I'm cutting this off so I can do some baby hairs, and I'm not really good at those. I'm still working on that part, so you will see me fumble with these. Still struggling. I will probably get better eventually, but for now, this is what we got. These are my baby hairs. It's not much to it, but this is me. I'm not a perfectionist, but I did want to show you guys just like how I do everything. I feel like I should mention that I was doing my hair 30 minutes before I needed to leave for a plane ride, and I couldn't take all my supplies with me, so that's why I'm like rushing through this. But I used the Bedhead air dry curl mousse to lay these baby hairs, and I feel like it worked out fine. I mean, I was struggling, but it worked. And here I am just looking at my part, making sure that I put some concealer down to really make it look like scalp. Y'all, once you get to this step, you can do a praise dance because that means you are at the end. It is almost time to close it out. And as you can see, this is the final look. Y'all, I am obsessed. Stay tuned next week to see how I laid these lashes as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.